What if I told you the secret to happiness has been right in front of you all along, hidden in a simple story? It's not about getting more, but about seeing what you have differently. Stick around, because this one story could change your entire perspective on life. We all spend so much time looking at what other people have, right? Their perfect photos, their amazing careers, their seemingly flawless lives. We compare our chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20 and wonder why we feel so behind. But this constant comparison is a trap, a thief that steals our joy. It makes us feel like we're always running a race we can't win. What if we're not even supposed to be in that race? Let me tell you a story. Imagine a beautiful, lush forest filled with all kinds of trees. There was a tall, sturdy oak, a slender, elegant bamboo, a fragrant pine, and a vibrant cherry blossom. But one little fir tree was incredibly unhappy. He looked at the oak and thought, "I wish I were as strong and mighty as him." Everyone looks up to him. Then he saw the bamboo, swaying gracefully in the wind. "I wish I could be as flexible and elegant as the bamboo." He'd look at the pine and wish for its evergreen needles and wonderful scent. And in the spring, he'd envy the cherry blossom for its stunning pink flowers that everyone admired. The little fir tree spent all his time comparing himself to the others, feeling small and worthless. He was so focused on what he wasn't that he never paid attention to what he was. He didn't notice his own deep green needles, his perfect cone shape, or how he provided shelter for small birds and animals. One day, a wise old owl, who had been observing the fir tree for a long time, flew down and perched on one of his branches. "Little tree," the owl hooted softly, "why are you so sad?" The fir tree sighed, his branches drooping. "I'm useless," he said. "I'm not strong like the oak, or graceful like the bamboo. I don't have beautiful flowers like the cherry blossom. I'm just me." The owl blinked its large, wise eyes. "Did you ever think," he began, "that the oak wishes it could stay green all winter like you? Or that the bamboo wishes it could provide a home for a family of squirrels? The cherry blossom is beautiful, but its flowers are gone in a week. You, little tree, have your own unique purpose. When winter comes and all the other trees are bare, you stand tall and green, a symbol of hope and resilience. When people look for a tree to bring into their homes to celebrate the holidays, they don't look for an oak or a bamboo. They look for you. You bring light and joy to families in the darkest time of the year." For the first time, the little fir tree looked at himself. He saw his strong branches, his evergreen needles, and he felt a sense of purpose he had never felt before. He realized he had been so busy wanting to be like the other trees that he had missed the magic of being himself. From that day on, the fir tree stood proud and tall, no longer comparing himself to others. He understood that his value didn't come from being like someone else. It came from embracing everything that made him unique. That little fir tree is you. It's me. It's all of us. We all have our own unique strengths, our own journey, our own purpose. The secret to happiness isn't to become someone else. It's to stop comparing and start appreciating the person you already are. Your journey is not supposed to look like anyone else's, because it's yours. Embrace your own kind of beautiful, your own kind of strong. Your path is unique, and that's what makes it so special. Contentment isn't found out there, in what others have. It's found right here, within you, when you finally decide to be proud of the tree you are. Thank you so much for watching. If this story resonated with you, please give this video a like and share it with someone who might need to hear it today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Remember to be kind to yourself. See you next time.